Cooking outdoors demands gear that's light, tough, and efficient. Best backpacking skillet options make trail meals faster and easier. This guide highlights compact pans that heat evenly, clean quickly, and handle real trail cooking without adding bulk to your pack. After watching the video, be sure to check the links in the description below for each item. Now, let's get started. Number 1. VEDNHOL 12-inch backpacking skillet. The VEDNHOL 12-inch backpacking skillet is designed for outdoor cooks who want durability, performance, and healthy cooking in a lightweight yet strong pan. Crafted from high-quality titanium, this skillet stands out for its strength and resistance to corrosion while remaining lighter than many traditional cookware options. Titanium construction also means the pan is non-toxic and free from harmful coatings that can degrade over time, giving users a cleaner and healthier cooking experience. Unlike many camping pans that compromise performance for portability, the VEDNHOL skillet balances rugged outdoor functionality with the cooking performance expected from home kitchen cookware. One of the standout features of this skillet is its engineered multi-layer hammered composite base. Pure titanium typically struggles with heat conduction, but the layered design improves heat distribution significantly. As a result, the skillet heats faster and spreads heat more evenly across the cooking surface. This makes it suitable for a wide range of cooking methods, such as sautéing vegetables, frying eggs, searing meat, or even preparing sauces and stir-fries while camping. The improved heat efficiency helps reduce hot spots and ensures more consistent cooking results. The ergonomic titanium handle adds both practicality and durability. It remains cooler during stovetop cooking compared to many metal handles, providing a more comfortable and secure grip.
Number 2. Jetboil nonstick backpacking skillet. The Jetboil nonstick backpacking skillet is built specifically for outdoor adventurers who want to expand their camp cooking beyond simple dehydrated meals. Known for its compact design and efficient heating, this skillet is a practical addition to any backpacking cooking setup. Its ceramic-coated aluminum construction allows it to heat quickly and distribute warmth evenly across the surface, which is particularly important when cooking over portable camping stoves. This fast and balanced heating helps reduce hot spots, allowing campers to cook delicate foods such as eggs, pancakes, or sautéed vegetables with greater consistency. The ceramic non-stick coating is a key feature that improves both cooking performance and cleanup. Food releases easily from the surface, making it simple to cook items that would otherwise stick to traditional metal pans. Eggs slide off smoothly, pancakes flip effortlessly, and delicate ingredients maintain their shape. For campers and backpackers who have limited water and cleaning supplies, the easy clean surface is especially valuable. A quick wipe with minimal water is often enough to restore the skillet for the next meal. Jetboil has also focused on convenience with the skillet's thoughtful design.
Number 3. Pathfinder Steel Backpacking Skillet. The Pathfinder Steel Backpacking Skillet is designed for campers and outdoor enthusiasts who prefer rugged, dependable cookware that can handle demanding conditions. Made from 304 food-grade stainless steel, this skillet prioritizes durability and reliability over lightweight construction. Stainless steel is known for its strength, corrosion resistance, and long service life, making it an excellent material for outdoor cookware that must endure frequent use, high heat, and exposure to the elements. Available in both 8-inch and 10-inch sizes, the skillet provides flexibility depending on the user's cooking needs. The smaller version is well-suited for solo travelers or minimalist campers, while the larger option offers enough space to prepare meals for multiple people. Both sizes feature an extra thick bottom that improves heat distribution during cooking. This thicker base helps reduce uneven heating in hot spots, which can occur when cooking over open flames or portable camp stoves. As a result, foods cook more evenly, whether you are frying eggs, sautéing vegetables, or searing meat. One of the most practical design elements of the Pathfinder skillet is its locking, folding handle. The handle locks securely into place while cooking, providing stability and control when moving or flipping food in the pan.
Number 4. GSI Collapsible Backpacking Skillet. The GSI Collapsible Backpacking Skillet is designed for outdoor enthusiasts who want dependable cooking gear that remains easy to pack and transport. Created with campers, overlanders, and hikers in mind, this fry pan combines durable construction with thoughtful features that make outdoor cooking more convenient. Built from strong carbon steel, the skillet delivers the durability needed to handle repeated use on camp stoves, grills, and even open flames, while maintaining a relatively lightweight design suitable for travel. One of the most appealing aspects of this skillet is its availability in two practical sizes. The 8-inch version is compact and lightweight, making it an excellent choice for solo backpackers or minimal camping setups. For those cooking for groups or preparing larger meals, the 10-inch version provides additional space without becoming overly bulky. Both sizes are carefully designed to offer a balance between portability and usable cooking surface, allowing campers to prepare a variety of dishes from breakfast eggs to grilled meats and vegetables. The Sure-Lock folding handle is another key feature that improves both safety and storage efficiency.
Number 5. Sea Camping Backpacking Skillet. The Sea Camping Backpacking Skillet is designed for campers and backpackers who want a compact yet capable cooking pan that fits easily into a portable outdoor kitchen. With its practical 8-inch size, the skillet offers a good balance between portability and functionality. It is small enough to pack conveniently inside camping gear while still providing enough surface area to prepare real meals rather than relying solely on packaged foods. Constructed from hard anodized aluminum alloy, the skillet provides excellent heat transfer while remaining lightweight and durable. Hard anodizing strengthens the aluminum surface and increases resistance to scratches, corrosion, and general wear. This makes the pan suitable for repeated outdoor use where cookware is often exposed to rough handling and high temperatures. The aluminum base also heats quickly, allowing campers to cook efficiently using limited fuel resources. The ceramic non-stick coating further enhances the cooking experience by preventing food from sticking to the pan. Eggs, pancakes, vegetables, and other delicate foods release easily from the surface, reducing the chances of burning or tearing during cooking. The non-stick design also simplifies cleaning, which is particularly important when camping in locations where water and cleaning supplies are limited. A standout feature of this skillet is its removable click-safe handle. The handle attaches securely during cooking, providing a stable and comfortable grip while handling hot food. Like the video, hit the subscribe button, and press the bell icon.